In this SiteGround WordPress tutorial video, I'm going to be going over how to build a WordPress website with SiteGround step by step from start to finish. I'll be showing you how to access professional pre-made WordPress website templates to make creating your WordPress website an easy process. I'll also be going over how to build your WordPress website using one of those popular drag and drop editors, Elementor Page Builder, so you can create a professional looking WordPress website via drag and drop. By the end of this SiteGround WordPress tutorial, you'll know how to create and build your WordPress website with SiteGround. I'll also be providing you with a SiteGround discount that will get you up to 83% off SiteGround hosting plus a free domain name. Let's get started with the SiteGround WordPress tutorial going over how to build a WordPress website in SiteGround. The first thing you want to do to get started in building your WordPress website with SiteGround web hosting is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to SiteGround and so you can take advantage of getting up to 83% off plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning you'll receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome SiteGround discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the SiteGround web hosting plans page. Click the Start Now button. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek plans. You'll see you'll save up to 83% off depending on the plan you go with. All 3 plans come with a free domain name, free email accounts, free daily backups with a restore option, free SSL certificate, free CDN, enhanced security, 30-day money-back guarantee, managed WordPress, out-of-the-box caching, unlimited databases, and more. The startup plan is good if you're going to have just one website. This plan comes with 10 gigabytes of web space and allows 10,000 monthly website visits per month. The Grow Big plan is a good plan if you're going to have more than one website. This plan comes with unlimited websites, 20 gigabytes of web space, and allows 100,000 monthly website visits. The Grow Big plan comes with some extra features such as on-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHP, and site staging. The Go Geek plan includes unlimited websites, 40 gigabytes of web space, and allows up to 400,000 website visitors per month. The Go Geek plan comes with extra features such as on-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHP, staging plus Git, white label clients, free private DNS, highest tier of resources, and priority support. Click the Get Plan button on the plan you want to select. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the Startup plan. You'll now be on the Choose a Domain page. If you'd like to register a new domain name with SiteGround, you can type it in the search field. You'll see that you'll receive your domain name for free. If you click on the .com, you can choose the domain extension you'd like to go with. If you already have a domain name, you can select the existing domain and type in the domain you own. Once you've chosen a domain name or put in one that you already own, click the Continue button. You'll now see congratulations, the domain you chose is available for free registration. You now want to enter your account information in. Next, input your information for the client information. Input your payment information in. Under the purchase information section, where you see 12 months, best deal, if you click on this from the drop-down, you can change the term for your SiteGround hosting. You can choose 1 month, 12 months, or 24 months. You get the best deal of 83% off with the 12-month term. If you click the pencil icon where you see the plan you chose, you can change the plan you'd like to go with. If you click the pencil icon next to Data Center, you can change the data center you'd like to go with. Next, you'll see Extra Services. You'll see you'll be getting a free domain name with your SiteGround web hosting purchase. Next, you'll see optional extra services offered by SiteGround. If you chose to register a domain name with SiteGround, you'll see Domain Privacy. I highly recommend going with Domain Privacy as this will protect your personal information from the public and can protect you from getting lots of spam and telemarketers reaching out to you via email and phone to sell you their services. When a domain name is registered, it is required, regardless of the company you go with, that your personal information be included in the public whois database. By choosing Domain Privacy Plus Protection, instead of your information showing, it'll show SiteGround's information protecting you. The next extra service is Site Scanner. Site Scanner monitors and scans your website daily and will notify you if your site has been hacked into or malicious code has been added to it so you can get it fixed. The next extra service is Premium Backup. Premium Backup provides you with automated hourly site backups, on-demand backups, additional daily backups, and you can restore your site, files, or database with a few clicks. The next extra service is Email Marketing. This service allows you to collect leads from your site and convert the leads into sales for your business with this email marketing tool. Go down to the order summary section. You'll now want to select the option that you agree to the SiteGround's terms and conditions. The next option is optional. Feel free to select this if you want to receive information about SiteGround service, updates, new features, special offers, and more. Click the Pay Now button. SiteGround will now email you your receipt along with login details. I'm here in the SiteGround dashboard on the home page. Before we start creating our WordPress site, I want to cover the SiteGround dashboard. From the SiteGround homepage, you'll see Websites. Click the Manage button, and it'll take you to the Website Details page for your website. You can also get to this page by clicking Websites in the top menu. You'll see your site listed here. Click the WordPress admin to be taken to the WordPress dashboard. If you click the three dots here, it'll give you more options you can select from if any of them is what you are wanting to do. Next, you'll see Site Tools. Click this. You'll be taken to the SiteGround Site Tools panel. To go back to the SiteGround dashboard, just click the Go to My Account tab here. You'll see your SiteGround name servers being listed here. Over on the left side menu, you'll see different things you can select from. If you click Site, it'll give you options you can select from for your website. If you click Security, click Backups. This is where you can access and create backups for your site or restore your site from a previous backup if needed. If you click Speed, you can click Caching if you want to manage your caching. If you click CDN, you can choose to use the free CDN provided by SiteGround. I highly recommend using this feature for faster site speeds. The WordPress tab will provide things regarding WordPress. Domains will provide things regarding domains. If you click Email and Accounts, you can create new email addresses here ending in your domain name. Now let's go over how to create our WordPress site. From the SiteGround Websites tab, I'll click WordPress Admin. You'll now be taken to the SiteGround WordPress Starter page. This provides you with a quick customization wizard that will assist you in choosing a design and adding functionality to your site. You'll see the Exit wizard at the top. Click this to be taken to the WordPress dashboard and skip this. I'll click Exit Wizard as I'll be guiding you on how to create a WordPress site step by step. You'll now be taken to the WordPress dashboard. To pick out a theme for your site, on the far left you will see tabs. Find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes is where you can pick out a theme for your site. Next, click Add New Theme. You'll now see WordPress themes that you can choose from. There's thousands of free themes to choose from. Now I'm going to show you how to access free professionally designed WordPress themes and how to edit them easily with the drag and drop editor. Type in Astra in the search field. Click the Install button. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. Once it is done activating the theme, you want to find the Plugins tab in the side menu. Click Add New. In the search field, type in Starter Templates. You want to click Install on it. Then click Activate. Hover over the Appearance tab in the side menu. Click on Starter Templates. You'll see how you would like to build your website. I'll select the classic starter templates. Click the Build with Templates button. Choose Elementor for the page builder. If you ever see something other than Elementor showing up at the top, just click from the drop-down and select Elementor. It'll now showcase a bunch of WordPress themes you can build your site with using drag and drop. You can type in the type of website you want to create to pull up templates based on that. You'll see a bunch of categories you can hover over and select to build your site. If you click a theme, it'll show you what it will look like so you can preview it. Click the X button to go back to the templates page. Something I want to mention, any of the templates, no matter the category or what they are called, can be used for your website. You can easily change it and edit the templates to what you'd like when creating your WordPress site. Just find a template you like, and then you can start making it your own, no matter what category the template is in. Select the theme you want. I'll choose this one called Love Nature. You can upload a logo if you'd like. You can do this at a later time, so if you don't have one now, no worries. I cover this later in the video. You can now choose the font and colors for your site. You can update these at a later time or change them whenever you'd like. I cover this later in the video. Click the Continue button. You'll now be on the Select Features page. Feel free to select any features you want. I'll click Skip this step. You now be only tell us a little about yourself. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to. Just make sure under Advanced Options you have each one selected. Click the Submit and Build My Website button. It'll begin building your website. Once it is done, you'll be on the Congratulations page. Click the View Your Website button. It'll now take you to your website and what it looks like. To make edits to your site, click the Edit with Elementor tab at the top of the page. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can easily make changes to your site. You can click on something and then put in the text you want. If you click Style, you can make changes to the text. If you click the pencil icon next to Typography, you can change the font for the text. You can change the size of the text. If you want to change the background image here at the top or anywhere on the page, right-click at the top of this section. Click Edit Container. Click Style. You'll see the image showing here. The trash can icon will delete the image. If you click into the image, you can upload an image or click Media Library to choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. I'll select an image I've already uploaded to WordPress. I'll click the Select button. The image has now been uploaded. If you want to change the background colors and opacity of the image, find Background Overlay and click it. Click Color. You can then change the color to what you'd like. Next, where you see opacity, you can drag this over to get it how you'd like. To edit the button, click into the button. You can change the name of it. You can link it out to where you want it. If you click the settings icon here, you can have the link open in a new window and make it no follow if you'd like. You can select to not have an icon with the button. Where it says Upload SVG, you can upload an icon. If you click Icon Library, you can view icons you can add to the button. If you click Style, you can change things for the button. If you click Hover, you can make changes on the button hover. I'll scroll down to this section. If you click on something, you can move things around to get it how you want it. By clicking the plus icon at the top left of the editor, you can get to where you can drag stuff over from the left. If you want to remove something, right-click into the area. Click Delete to delete it. If you want to duplicate something, right-click into an area. Click Duplicate, it'll duplicate that area. If you want to change an image, just click into an image to put in your own image. I'll scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Drag Widget section. Click the Starter Templates icon. Click Blocks in the menu. You can then choose from lots of block templates that you can add to your site. Up at the top, you can select categories for blocks to show. I'll click one. I'll click the Import Block button. It's now been added to the page. To change the background color of a section, just right-click at the top of the section. Click Edit Section. Click Style. Make sure Classic is selected. Next to Background Type, you'll see Color. Click this and you can change the background color of the section. If you want to add a new section to the page, hover over an area on the page where you want to add the new section. Click the plus icon. Click the plus icon showing again. Next, select Flexbox. Next, choose the structure for this section. Click the plus icon here at the top. You can then drag stuff into this section. To remove a section, hover over it and click the X button to remove it. If you want to remove this section to somewhere else on the page, just hover over it and click the middle icon with the dots. You can drag it up or down to move it to somewhere else on the page. If you click Publish at the top of the page, it'll publish your changes. If you click the arrow next to Publish, you can save the page as a draft or save the page as a template to then use for another page on your site. If you click the preview icon, it'll bring up a preview of your page. If you click the desktop icon, it'll show you what your changes look like on desktop devices. The tablet icon will show tablet devices, and the mobile icon will show mobile devices. If you hover over the site settings icon and click it, you can change things like the colors of your entire site, fonts used, and more. If you click the Elementor menu icon and click History, and then click Revisions, it'll list out all the revisions for your site that it has pre-saved. If you click one, it'll bring your site edits back to how they were at the time of that edit. If you click the Elementor menu icon and click Exit to WordPress, then click the WordPress icon in the top left, it'll take you to the WordPress dashboard. If you hover over the Pages tab, click Add New to add a new page to your site. If you click All Pages, it'll showcase all the pages on your site. If you hover over the Media tab and click on Library, it'll show you all the images you've uploaded in WordPress. If you click Add New at the top, you can then upload or drag in an image into WordPress. If you hover over Posts and click Add New, you can create a new blog post for your site. If you click All Posts, it'll pull up all the posts you have on your site. If you click the Comments tab, you will see all the comments you have on your blog post. You can easily reply, mark it as spam, or trash the comments. If you hover over the Plugins tab and click Add New, you can then search for or browse plugins to add to your site. Any feature or customization you might want on your site, more than likely there's a plugin for that. If you hover over the Appearance tab and the left side menu, click on Menus. This is where you can edit the menu on your site. You can add new pages to the menu or drag a page to a different order. If you click the tiny arrow, you can change the name of it or completely delete it from the menu. If you want to create a completely new menu, you can click Create a New Menu. If you want to have submenu items show in the menu, just add the items to the menu and place it a bit to the right or in the menu name you want it to show under. I'll add a few under Services. I'll click Save Menu. I'll now pull up the view of my site, and you now see the submenu items showing in the menu under Services. Next, I want to cover the Contact Us form to show you how this works. Click Contact in the menu. You'll see the contact form showing here. To edit the contact form on your site, hover over your site title name up at the top. Click Dashboard. Next, click on WP Forms. You'll see the Contact Us form here. Hover over it and click Edit. It's now going to bring up the builder for the Contact Us form. You can hover over an area to delete it or duplicate it. You can click an area and drag it to wherever you'd like it. If you want to add something, you can drag it over from the side. If you click Field Options, you can click on the part of the form and then make changes from the side. You can select to make this part of the form a required or not required part to fill out. If you click Advanced, you can click on a part of the form you want to change, and you can select between the size of the form field for that area, and then change if you want anything to show in the form field where they input their information. If you click Settings, you'll be in the General section where you can edit things for the form. Spam Protection allows you to toggle on spam protection options. Notifications is where you can put in the email the form info should be sent to, and the From email address showing to the person who filled out the form. The Confirmations is where you can put in a confirmation message that shows to the person who filled out the form. Click Save to save changes. When you are done, click the X button. Now I'm going to go over maps for your site in case you want to have a map for your website. From the Contact page, click the Edit with Elementor tab. Scroll down to where you want to add the map. I'll add mine at the bottom of the page. Click the plus icon at the top. Find Google Maps and drag it where you'd like it. To add the map, hover over the map and click the pencil icon. Where it says Location, you can put in the address of your business. You can toggle zoom to get the map to look how you want. The height will change the height of the map. Next, click the arrow button next to Publish. Click Save Draft. Next, refresh the page in your browser. Scroll back down to where the map is on the page and click the pencil icon. You'll now see the notification showing about the Google Maps API key up at the top. Click the Create Your Here link. It'll take you to this page. Scroll down and click Go to Credentials page. Click Create Projects. Put in the project name. You could just put in your site or business name. I'll put in the address and click Create. It'll then give you your API key. You can copy and paste into the API key field. Next, you want to click the Integration Settings link, paste the API key here, and click Save Changes. Your map will now show live for your site visitors. Now let me show you how to make edits to the footer, header, and logo of your site. From the WordPress dashboard, if you hover over the Appearance tab in the left side menu, click Customize. It'll take you to the Customize page. To edit the footer, click the Footer Builder. You can then click an area in the footer area where you see the pencil icon and start making edits to that section over on the left side. If you click Design, you can make additional changes for that section in the footer. You can click the X button to remove that area from the footer. If you click the pencil icon here on the left-hand side, you can then choose how many columns you want your footer to be. You can then click the plus icon to add sections to that part of the footer. Next, let's go over editing the header area of your site. Scroll up to the top of the page. If you click into the header area of your site on something, you can make edits. If you want to remove something in the header, just find it here and click the X button to remove it from the header. In this section, you can move things around to change the look of the menu area to get it how you like it. If you click the pencil icon where you see the logo, it'll pull up where you can remove the current logo and add your own logo. If you click the Design tab, you can make color changes to the logo. I'm going to click the back arrow twice. If you click Site Identity, you can then upload a favicon, which is the site icon for your site. If you click Site Title and Logo Settings, you'll be able to change the site title for your site. You'll see Tagline is where you can change the tagline for your site. I'll click the back button twice. If you click Global, Typography is where you can change the fonts used for your site. Colors is where you can change the colors for your site. Buttons is where you can change the button presets and colors used. You now know how to access pre-made professional templates, how to build a WordPress website with SiteGround, and making edits to it using the drag and drop editor, Elementor page builder. That's my SiteGround WordPress tutorial going over how to create and build your WordPress website with SiteGround. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment, letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more SiteGround hosting tutorial videos.